Sick. How's it guys? Today we're going to learn how to surf. We're going to cover the pop-up. It's the correct way to get up on the board. Going to go over some little tips to make it a bit easier. And yeah, let's get it looking good. First things first, lying down on the board, on your more longer boards, ideally your toes on the back. Some nice little pointers we're going to cover before we even get up is these three things. Keep your eyes forward the whole time, stay low, and most importantly, stay loose. Okay. Feet always together, you don't want your feet out wide. Chest always up, good posture makes it. Okay, starting with some paddling, step number one. It's nice, long, steady movements without moving the body too much. Once you've caught your wave, your hands will be going under your chest. Make sure not to go too wide or grab the side of the board. You want to make sure to keep it nice and close. From here, with the eyes up and the chest up, we do a little push-up. Then you bring up your back foot, which will be your dominant foot. So back foot comes here roughly next to the knee, and front foot you are aiming between your hands. Come up slowly. In this whole process, keep your eyes forward, stay low, and stay loose. Okay, and that's our pop-up.